Audi A3 3-door 2-litre TDI Sport. It's the 140 brake horsepower, £30 tax and stop start. Now this one is a category N from the insurance company, which is a non-structural. I'll show you the damage, if you can see it that is, later, but I'll go around the car first. As you can see, it's nice and straight and clean around the front. There is no damage on it at all. Bonnet is great, so is the top. And down this side, it's lovely and straight, no damage marks and stuff. It is actually a very, very clean car. Down this side from the back is all good. It's got parking sensors on the back. There's no damage at all in the back. I'll say it again, it is actually a very, very clean car. And this side, right, it's had a bump on this corner. And you might not be able to see it because it's already had a smart repair. I've had a paintless dent removal guy around, and I'll post some pictures, or you can email me them and I'll send them over to you. You can see all this rippled effect here. He's got a tool behind it, and it kind of looks like orange peel, but he's worked the wing back into a perfect shape, so when my paint guy fixes it, it's going to be the easiest job in the world for him to do. There's a couple of marks on this front bumper, but there's no damage on it at all. And behind this wing, what it did, and the reason why it was category N, is it broke the track rod arm, which is literally a £12 part. And when they seem to get a bit older, that part needs to be replaced anyway, so it's genuinely a bolt-on, bolt-off part. It's been tracked and aligned. So what's going to happen is, now that wing, if you can see it, is going to be painted. You don't need to paint and blend the door because it's only coming up to here, so it'll be blended up to here, and it's black, which is the easiest colour to paint as well. Also, that light's broken, well, not broken, it's just split the tab on the top, so that'll be bonded, and that is it. So a super easy fix. These normally retail for $5,995 at minimum, and this really is a nice one. It's got full service history, and it's been really looked after. I'm guessing this one's going to be $4,500, and it's going to be worth every penny of that.